Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can add Facebook feeds to Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Shopify. Shopify is a really good website in which you can create a Facebook feed. So let's click sign up for free. You want to sign with the Facebook, Gmail, normal mail is really up to you. And when you're gonna do it, click login. Right here we will be in applications, and in search you just want to write Facebook. Click Facebook feed, create a widget, and right you can choose medium, small, large one. I'm going with this one, the medium one. Continue with the template. Now you just connect it to your Facebook, and you can edit also the layout. You can edit the width, the height, the header menu and everything, and click save. Right when you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version, but if you have 5,000, 50 or 5 million, go to basic, pro or enterprise, or choose the annual version. Now let's copy the code here. Let's get to our Shopify website, add a section, custom content, select. Right here, just remove this and remove this, add a content, custom HTML, and just paste the code. I know it was a little bit fast, but it's really simple. You just add the HTML code to your website and you just wait. I click save here. And I just go here to check the online store, and voila, here we got it. So this is how you can add Facebook feed to your Shopify website. Thank you very much, guys. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Also, if you find this video helpful, you can support, subscribe, and definitely check the other applications on the other side if you can find some of them useful. And yeah, so have a great day and goodbye. See ya. I'll remove the section, and this is how you can also delete that if you want to. So yeah, goodbye.